Hand mixing cement. Finishing the smooth coat on my wall. Been a while since I did a wall update. Had some delays, had some traveling. So back on it, it's almost done. This stuff straightened around when it's done. Let's take a look at some of this smooth coating. On a string, following a string. Those are the finished tops. And we can paint landscape. Ready for the rains. Okay. Just a quick wall update. Get down to that one. Do the other side. Etch it, paint it. Landscape it. Be rainy season in a month. Work on the drainage. Okay. A wall update. More again later. Bye-bye.